Many, if not most of us, love instant gratification. We want things to happen now. And when we're working on a particular goal, whether it's making a certain amount of money or losing a certain amount of weight or just experiencing a certain level of healing, a certain level of freedom from things that have upset us in the past, and we're doing all this tapping or whatever it might be, we're doing all the things that we believe we're supposed to do, and it hasn't happened yet. And that can be frustrating, which actually takes us backwards. It happens, but let's do something about that. So allowing yourself to be aware of any sense of impatience, and taking full responsibility for your own well-being, please. Even though it's taking too long, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though it's taking too long, I choose to love and honor myself. Even though it's taking too long, I have been trying so hard to get this result. I've been trying so hard to manifest this certain thing, and it's not showing up as fast as it should. And even though I feel it's taking too long, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe anyone else who taught me to be so impatient, because I choose to feel that free. It is taking too long. It's taking too long. Whatever the result is that I want, it's taken way too long. I should be there by now. It should have shown up by now. I'm not sure what that's based on. Maybe it's based on the experiences of other people. Maybe they got what I wanted much more quickly. Not that I know that for sure, but based on my programming, part of me is convinced that this is taking too long, and I should be there by now. And I'm processing all of these feelings. I love and appreciate all these parts of me that are feeling this impatience, believing that it's the appropriate response. Not sure how it's going to speed up the process. I can even see where it may be slowing the process down. But because of my programming, it still feels like the appropriate response. And I'm allowing myself to reconsider that. I don't care how appropriate some other people think it is. It's not being effective. I can't be impatient enough to improve my energetic frequency or my attitude or my enthusiasm about what I'm trying to get. So I choose to clear what doesn't feel like peace. There's an old saying, infinite patience brings immediate results. And I choose to be patient even when it doesn't. For all I know, it's taking exactly the right amount of time. For whatever reason. I don't have to try to prolong it. I'm giving myself the freedom to do what I can to get the result as quickly as I can. And I'm also giving myself permission to feel as good as possible in the process. And the feeling that it's taking too long doesn't tend to feel very good. And I can see that it's not helpful. And I don't even know that it's true. It may be taking the exact amount of the time that's right. So I'm clearing what doesn't feel like peace. Allowing myself to enjoy the ride, however long it might be. And I choose to love myself in the process, in body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath, close your eyes. Go inside and just notice what it feels like inside. Notice what might have come up. Notice where you might need to lather, rinse, and repeat. Take a deep breath, open your eyes, and give yourself permission to be right here, right now. And you'll be a lot more effective, which is much more helpful for getting the results that we want. And when other stuff gets in the way, I'm here for you. Thanks.